I'm Jessica and I'm an ethically informed citizen.
Raglan Church in Wells Primary School is within the heart of Monmouthshire. It has 210 pupils on roll with a very mixed demographics, and we're working on that as a school to make sure that we are catering for the learners within our care and making strong links with the local community to work together, so not only bringing the community into school but also taking the community out. So I began my journey here in Raglan in September 21, and I was very fortunate to be able to have the first term whereby we wanted to embrace enterprise troopers and create a project that could really get us back connected with the local villagers of Raglan. And we were trying to identify from learners, what do families need? What does the community need? And what can the school do to get us back talking again? And so we created a box cwtch which could cater for all needs within our village. So a very intergenerational box cwtch that really wanted to enhance sustainability and well-being through products such as well-being coasters with messages of positivity on, little activities that younger children could do with older members of the community, lovely smelling soap that could really enhance and make people through their senses feel better. So through a plethora of things really, and through what the children created, they had ownership of making a difference within the local village of Raglan to be able to get us connected once more.
We are thinking about eco-schools, we're thinking about where we get different things from, sustainability, that all comes in. And we've also been promoting different cultures by thinking about the world and how Christmas is celebrated in different places and the kind of products that are associated with those different cultures and different countries, as well as the language, and trying to immerse ourselves around the world as we go. So our reception class are busy with Enterprise this morning. They are reusing some of their leftover products from this year's Enterprise Christmas Fair, and this time when they sell their products they are sending the proceeds to the earthquake appeal in Turkey and Syria.
I like enterprise education because it's the main day of it, when you get to go into the hall and we organise and the parents come and we get to sell our actual products.
We have really looked hard at how we can foster enterprise education within the four purposes of the curriculum in line with our curriculum bespoke to Raglan within our demographics. So we have created an Inspire curriculum here whereby the four purposes are permeated throughout life. And we feel that enterprise troopers, projects such as those can really enhance the curriculum, bring about that authenticity and innovation that children need to be exposed to give them a greater insight into the world of work and to excite them for lifelong learning.
I think enterprise education and financial education is so important to the children. It gives them a sense of where money comes from and what makes money and what then they can do with it afterwards. It makes such a difference to them, and it's something that they will need later in life.
I enjoy making the things for the parents because whenever I go home and then my mum orders it, she really likes it and she puts it on display, and then she sort of makes it really special, and I like that.
It is so creative, it's just, there's no sort of limit on what you can do with it.
Without a doubt, enterprise education has really enhanced our Inspire curriculum here at Raglan School.
When the teacher says it's time to do enterprise, it gives me, kind of gives me like a tingle, and it makes me really excited for it.